Hey, welcome everybody. This is Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down here on the layout. And I found an old box. It's amazing I could call this old now. It's Athearn Genesis, and Athearn was taken over by somebody bought it, but they kept the name Athearn. They added a new line, the Genesis line, as close to real as it gets. And this is a CSX MP-15 AC 1135. Now, interestingly, on this box, there is a spot where it says when it was manufactured, so it's no guessing. It says copyright 2007 Horizon Hobby Inc. So they must have been, I'm guessing, the company that purchased Athearn. So it's 2007. So I don't know if you could see it there. Trying to get that into focus. And that means that this locomotive is 16 years old. 16 years in the box. 16 years waiting for someone to take it out and ride the rails. As you can see, it really is a magnificent looking locomotive. There's a ton of detail. Look at that detail. What a nice paint job. Not really sure what's in that cab there. That's a little strange looking.